In this video, we're going to look at how to create a new HubSpot CRM contact from a new Calendly event with Integromat. First of all, what is Integromat? Integromat is a powerful tool for automating manual processes, connecting your favorite apps like Calendly and HubSpot CRM with each other without having any programming skills. So let's look at what this Integromat scenario does. Each time an individual schedules a meeting with you in Calendly, Integromat will check to see if the contact exists and automatically create a new contact in HubSpot CRM. So if we look at our scenario here, we can see in the first step, this module is looking for new events from Calendly. So when someone goes to your Calendly account, follows your link on Calendly and fills out a form to create a appointment with you, that's what's going to trigger this first module. Then Integromat's going to look at HubSpot and it's going to see if HubSpot has a contact for this person already. Generally, that's going to be based on the unique email address of your Calendly appointment contact. So it's going to look at HubSpot CRM in the second step, see if there is a contact that already exists. And if the contact already exists, it's going to stop here because between the second and third step, we have a filter. So if it finds a contact, it's going to stop. It's not going to re-add it. Now, in the event Integromat looks at HubSpot and cannot find a contact, then this third step will run, which adds a new contact to your CRM. So that's how this particular scenario works. I will say there are many other modules that could be added to this scenario, like adding the time slot for the Calendly event to your calendar, or sending you a Slack notification when someone creates an event, adds an event to your calendar. Many other things that can be done. But this is how this scenario here works. I hope you've enjoyed this video. My name is Andy O'Neill, and I am an Integromat registered partner, and I'm here to help you with your Integromat automations. Just contact me by visiting weblytica.com.